Hello students, yesterday the video has stopped. I'll continue this. Let's write the ethane electron dot structure. Okay, electron dot structure. Yesterday I taught you, sorry, yesterday not, in the previous video I taught you that the electron molecular formula and the structural formula. So how the structural formula is there, like that only in that place only you have to mark the carbon and hydrogen atoms, like that, hydrogen atoms. Then carbon, I told you carbon electrons should be marked as a stars, like that. They should be marked as a stars in 4. They are having a 4 electrons in the outermost orbit. Even this thing also, or you can write this carbon as electron here and this carbon electron is here. Okay, it's easy. Let's I'll tell you how, why it is. Okay, because it's form a bond instead of like this, like that. I told you to make that enough. Okay, then hydrogen electrons should be in a dot, like that. The hydrogen electrons, these are all the hydrogen electrons. Next, circle around the hydrogen, because hydrogen 1 electron is pairing with the carbon 1 electrons and making a bond. So that's why you have to circle like that. Hydrogen 1 electrons is pairing with the 1 carbon electrons, that is the star. So like that you have to circle around that. Next, carbon 4 electrons is paired with the hydrogen 4 electrons. That's why you have to circle around the carbon first, like that. This carbon 4 electrons is pairing with this, like that. Okay, next this carbon is also pairing with this. Okay, 3 plus 1, like that it is making a bond. Okay, instead of writing this here, because here carbon is donating a 1 electron, here carbon 1 electron is donated to this, and carbon this electron is donated to this, and make a single bond. Between that single bond is there, no? So that is, and this thing. Okay, this is the method of writing the electron dot structure for which element, that is the ethane. In the same way we have to take the 3 carbon atom 3, that is nothing but the monkey eat peeled in the sense propane. 3 carbon atom propane, carbon atom, how much? Carbon atom is 3. General formula or molecular formula. So let us substitute the carbon atom to the general formula, then we can get the molecular formula. That's all. Okay, molecular formula is C carbon atom 2H 2 into 3 2N plus 2. That nothing but the C3H 2 3s are 6 plus 2 is 8. C3H8 it is. Okay, your propane is C3H8. The structural formula will be, we can write like that, carbon atoms. How the carbon atoms are there, like that you have to write in a series. Okay, between the carbon atom there will be the single bond. Okay, between the carbon atoms there will be the single bond. That's why it is called as alkanes. I told you already, alkanes in the sense there will be the carbon single bond. Okay, if the carbon between the carbon atom there will be the single bond, that's why they are called as the alkanes. Around the carbon atom I told you the 4 line must be, because 4 electrons are sharing each other. 1 line is already is there. Next you have to write the 1 2 3 and 4. So now 4 electrons. Now here this, around this carbon atom already two lines are there, remaining 2 you want to write, that make it is 4. Around this carbon atom there will be the 1, you have to write the 1 more. So this is the 3. So where it is end, the line, there you put the hydrogen. So this hydrogen atom equal to the, what the atoms, electrons are present, or the atoms are present in the molecular formula. You can check this C3, then H8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, C3H8. This is the propane. So in the same way we can write the structural formula, or sorry, this is only the structural formula. It is only structural formula, it is the molecular formula. Students, you have to get to know very well, then it is easy for you. Next we have to write the electron dot structure for this. Electron dot structure. So let us see how to write the electron dot structure in the same way. How it should be, like that only you have to write carbon carbon and the hydrogen atoms in their place only, carbon carbon, then hydrogen 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 in their place only, where the hydrogens are there in the place of structural formula, in that place only should write. Okay, so next carbon electron should be marked as star, like that only. So this carbon, okay, here this carbon and this carbon I'll for the easy bonding I'll make like that, this carbon electron 1 and this carbon electron 1. Okay, so instead of the here I am writing the like that. Okay, no worry, instead of making like that, just I am writing this. Okay, both are equal only, both are equal. Okay, so for what, for the easy circle, then S over, then here already 1 2 3 4 over it is, so not required to write next. Next is here around this 2 1, here 1, here 1 and here 1. Okay, carbon these are the carbon electrons. And next hydrogen dot, that is a dot. Oh, here 1 electron, here 1 electron, dot, and this is dot, this is dot, this is. See, you can check if you what combine this with a line, you can get a line. See how the line will be like that, you can get a line. Okay, if you combine, okay, that form a single bond sharing of one pair of electrons. Next you have to circle the hydrogen. Hydrogen is pairing with one carbon electrons and form a bond, so that thing you have to circle. Hydrogen is pairing with one carbon electron, one star one dot, one star one dot. Next we are here, take the carbon. Carbon is pairing with the hydrogen 4 electrons, hydrogen 4 electrons and carbon 1 electron, carbon 1 electron here, then hydrogen 3 electron, 1 2 3 carbon 1 electrons, and making a bond which is the carbon, like that. Okay, and here also carbon pairing sharing electrons with the 2 hydrogen atoms and 2 carbon atom nearby, so that's why the bond should be like that. Okay, and this carbon is also share a 3 electrons with the hydrogens and 1 electrons with the next neighboring carbon atom, neighboring carbon atom, and making a bond like that. So this is the way of writing the electron dot structure of propane. Okay, hope you will understand. Next, last I'll teach you the remaining, you have to try with that. Propane after butane. Butane, carbon atom nothing but the 4. Carbon atom is 4 it is. Let's write a molecular formula for butane. Molecular formula, 4 number of carbon atoms you have to substitute for the general formula, that is CnH2n plus 2, nothing but C4H2 into 4 plus 2 is nothing but C4H2, 4 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, nothing but the H10. Okay, C4H10. So let us write the structural formula now. Structural formula. It is very easy if you want to keep practicing in the same way. How many carbon atoms? First you have to write the carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very easy. Between the carbon atom in an alkane group there will be the single bond. Remember, in alkene group between any two carbon atom there will be the double bond, and between the in alkyne group any two carbon atom there will be the triple bond. Next, 1 already is there, around that 4 want. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here 2 already is there, remaining 2. Here 2 already is there, remaining 2. And here 1 is there, next will be 3. 1 plus 3, 4. Okay, where the bond ends there the hydrogen. Or if you are writing without the hydrogen also, that is understood. not mandatory to want to write the hydrogen. Okay, that is understood. If you are not writing a hydrogen also, that is understood here. That means it is always carbon is paired with the hydrogen only, then only it's make a hydrocarbon like butane. Okay, it's not paired with the any other element. Okay, so that is next we have to write the dot structure, electron dot structure, electron dot structure. It is, yes, let us write. It is easy, I told you where the first carbon atoms are there you have to mark 4 carbon atoms, and where the hydrogen atoms are also there, that thing also you should write. You should write the hydrogen also. Then around the carbon, I told no, electrons should be marked as star. Okay, here 2 will be there, that this carbon electron 1 and this carbon electron 1. Okay, and here also this carbon electron 1, this carbon electron 1, and here also 2. Okay, next here 1 1, then here 1 1, and here 1 1, then here these are the carbon electrons. Next hydrogen should be marked as a dot like that. Okay, this is the dot. Circle around the hydrogen, because hydrogen is pairing with the 1 carbon electron. Hydrogen is pairing with the 1 carbon electron. Like that. Okay, next carbon is also, here carbon is pairing with the 3 hydrogen and 1 carbon, neighboring carbon electron. So that's why you have to draw like that. And this carbon is also pairing with the 2 carbon atoms and 1 hydrogen atom, 2 hydrogen atoms. Should be like that. And this carbon is also 2 carbon neighboring atoms and 2 hydrogen atoms. It is very important how you are marking. Okay, and this carbon is also pairing with the 1 carbon and the 3 hydrogen, including star and the dot we want to take. Okay, so like that, this is the method of writing the electron the structure. Hope you will understand. Thank you all, and keep on practicing. Next one, next is pentane, hexane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, decane. Up to decane you have to mark that. That is the homework, and send me. Okay, thank you all.